Welcome to Digital Duels, the Microsoft versus Google Productivity Guide. In this video, we'll explore how these two tech giants approach productivity tools. Microsoft and Google take two completely different approaches. Microsoft builds desktop tools for power, while Google builds cloud tools for speed. Microsoft delivers heavy power with apps that run perfectly without the internet, allowing corporate users to edit massive documents. Windows and Edge are also deeply integrated. Google delivers high speed with apps living inside the web browser. This setup allows tech-forward students to work remotely, and Android and Chromebooks integrate seamlessly. Microsoft handles complex offline data, while Google processes basic web data quickly. Microsoft wins the raw power round. Modern teams work together online. Google Docs allows simultaneous real-time editing, while Microsoft Teams provides powerful corporate structures. Google wins the collaboration round. Microsoft OneDrive bundles massive family storage with 6 terabytes for $100. Google Gmail provides superior email search and stops spam effectively, and Google Drive includes 15 gigabytes of free storage. Microsoft Azure runs massive enterprise servers, while Google Apps respond faster on mobile phones. Google Cloud also offers developer-friendly tools. Reviewing the final scorecard, Google excels in real-time collaboration and mobile speed. Microsoft leads in heavy data power and offline work. To map your daily workflow, identify your primary work style. Choose Microsoft for complex offline data analysis and traditional desktop software, and Google for fast online teamwork and multi-device speed. Modern professionals often mix both systems, storing files in Google Drive and writing documents in Microsoft Office to create a perfect custom ecosystem.